Hey guys, Samsung is really getting a lot of attention for its 10th anniversary Galaxy S10. That's not surprising when leaks have revealed its truly bezel-less design, ultrasonic in-display fingerprint reader, triple rear cameras, gradient colors and 5G. It sounds like a dream, one controversial flaw aside. But now, Samsung has suddenly teased a phone which promised to be an even bigger game changer, having subtly hinted not once but twice that it plans to announce the screen-bending Galaxy F early next month. Samsung has now chosen to accidentally confirm another key part of the puzzles on Apple's iPad launch day. Samsung has today filed a very public trademark via Let's Go Digital for a Samsung Infinity V smartphone display, and it doesn't take much effort to record the message. Firstly, Infinity is the brand name Samsung chose for the almost bezel-less flagship phone displays it uses on the Galaxy S8, S9, Note 8 and Note 9. And since this is for the future devices, you can expect the bezels will be smaller than ever. Secondly, Samsung announced its Galaxy F November event with an animated video which focuses on a V that represents using the phone with its folding at both the beginning and end. And yeah, Samsung wants us to know the display in the world's first screen folding smartphone will be called the Infinity V. The move also decisively hits back at earlier reports that the Galaxy F was close to web viewer and followed cues from the Samsung Mobile Division CEO DJ Ko, who declared it's time to deliver. The only downside is the Galaxy F looks set to be very hard to buy. Of course, with the Samsung looking to 1 to 2 punch launches for the Galaxy S10 and Galaxy F confidence appears so high, even publicly trolling rivals is on the menu. Now, if only the company could U-turn one controversial decision. So yeah guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.